Now, we've already started down this key storage journey. We started off by saying that you have to have sort of a key inventory, that you have to understand where all your keys are maintained. Additionally, any key that's used to encrypt or decrypt stored account data, so these are our two-way keys, have to be stored very specifically. Either they have to be encrypted with a key encrypting key, at least as strong as the data encrypting key. We've talked about that before. And the key encrypting key has to be stored completely independently from the data encrypting key. Or you have to put it within a secure cryptographic device, an SCD. This is an HSM, a hardware security module, a point of interaction device, or as some other secret key management device that is not human readable. Or you have to store your key as two full-length key components and key shares using an industry-accepted model for key management. This one is a bit more difficult, requiring, generally speaking, 2 or 3 key custodians, each with a key part, and pulling it all together. If you'd like to use that methodology, make sure you reach out to us to discuss that methodology in its detail and how you intend to implement it in your environment. It's a bit much to go over in these short-form videos.